Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is January 28th, and the market had a little pullback. So I'll be right back to show you what happened. Don't go away. Okay, so what happened today? Well, we were down 3. Not a big change. But yesterday it was weird because yesterday the stock market opened down like 500. MBS has opened the day like down 13. Then we came back, and then we ended flat yesterday. So here's the chart. Basically, this is what was happening. And then yesterday, remember, I put in a line there, and I'm like, well, here's where we are, guys. You know, and here's where we're going to be. And we can float in this range here, and we're kind of coming back in here. Remember, things just don't go straight up. Like we just had a reprieve here, but we went back up. So I don't really see anything happening here. So let's go over what news came out today. The Dow recovered some, not from the 400 points that we lost, but we're back halfway. Durable goods came in initially pretty darn good, but when you strip out some of the transportation and so forth, it's not good. So you can see here the biggest drop in 8 months. So that's not good on the durable goods orders. So again, we follow manufacturing, we follow inflation, we follow employment, we follow inventory tracking, we follow freight indexes. Most of the stuff are pointing to a slight, kind of drawback in the stock market, which then in turn helps out the bond market. So, and I'll get that in a second for those newbies out there. I'm looking at my picture on here. I'm going to Florida on Friday, guys. So I'll be there about a week. If you're down in the Orlando area, Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, love to hook up with you if I could, if you have any questions, or I'll be out and about. I'll be seeing realtors and some other things. So if you're a realtor down in that area, I'd love to meet with you and talk about some different programs that we have to offer, especially the Homes for Heroes program that we rolled out about 6 months ago. That's just a phenomenal program for veterans, police officers, nurses, teachers, EMT. If I missed you, I apologize, but just go to thefrioteam.com, and Frio is F-R-I-O, and you can click Homes for Heroes. Fantastic program, especially if you're in one of those categories. You can get a rebate check back from the realtor if you're looking to buy a home. And it's usually about a $1,500 average. So if you're looking to buy a home and you don't have a realtor that you're set up with, let me know. I'll find a person that's in your area that's a part of the program. And again, it's for veterans, police officers, firemen, EMT, teachers, and nurses. If you're in any of those areas and you're looking to buy a home, let me know. I can help you with the financing. I pay your appraisal fee, so I'll give you a discount up to $500. And then the realtor is going to give you 0.7% of the value of the home back as a rebate check. So that's how the program works. So I'm going to be in the Cape Canaveral, Cocoa Beach area. So if you're a realtor down in that area, reach out to me. I'd love to meet with you. So let's go on to the next thing, the Case-Shiller home indexes. We want to follow the primary one, which is the national index. The U.S. Census Division. It was up 3.5 annually, year over year. That was stronger, a little bit stronger than the anticipated number of 3.2. Some of the areas that's really doing well is Phoenix, Charlotte, and Tampa. I'm actually going to a broker of mine, friend of mine, is actually opening a branch of a real estate office down in the Charlotte area. So we're going to be expanding into that area as well, probably within the next 3 to 4 months. So if you're down that area, let me know. I'd love to help you there. Why you want to follow this index is it basically takes the incremental differences or variations in value of house appreciation versus some of the other indexes out there. So this is the one we really want to follow. And then the upcoming events, what's happening tomorrow in the next few days, the Fed is meeting, and they're going to come out and tell us what they're going to do, if anything, with monetary policy. I don't see anything coming about. They're not going to drop rates. They're not going to increase rates. So that should play no impact on the market. And then Thursday and Friday are some job numbers, which, I don't think those are going to play any impact in the markets unless there's just something weird or that we're just not anticipating. So I'm actually thinking the markets are going to be fairly flat. Let's see what happened in CNBC. real estate section. You can watch some sections here, but home prices continue to heat up in November, as we just discussed in the Case-Shiller indexes. And then please don't forget to look me up on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can find, I post this every day. It's a little news, mortgage news daily report. Mortgage rates edge higher. Again, that's the headline for the day. You know it, and I know it if you follow this channel. Yeah, they moved a little bit, but rates really didn't change because this move is so minute. And I think, we're going to recover a little bit and be completely flat within the next few days. So let me explain a little bit about who I am and what I do and what we follow here on this channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan Frio. I do the mortgage update every day. You can hear me in the Chicagoland area. I'm a mortgage advisor, have been for 32 years. You can hear me on WYLL radio. It's a Christian radio station. I'm on every night from 7:30 to 8 p.m. You can hear me on WIND radio Saturday mornings from 7 to 8. And I'm a mortgage advisor, have been doing it for 32 years, and I cover about 2/3 of the country, so I'd love to help you if you're looking for a mortgage or some ideas on your options. Even if you have a quote right now, let's see, maybe we can get you a little bit lower rate. Maybe we can cut your costs a couple $1,000. Any which way. You might be in a perfect scenario. You might have the best rate in town and no cost. God bless you, take it. I'm not here to steer you wrong. If there's an offer out there that beats mine, God bless you. You found it. Hopefully I can beat you in the Chicagoland area. I try to pride myself on a program that I do. It doesn't come up a lot, but I try to do a mortgage match program. If you want to use me and you're in a certain area and you just are more confident in what I tell you versus you went online and got some quote, I'd love to reach out and just give me the quote that you have. If it's realistic, I'll do my best to match it. Sometimes I get somebody sending me things and I don't know if they've been altered. I'll just throw this out there. The analogy I made to one gentleman one time is I'm like, dude, this quote you gave me is like you finding gasoline at 50 cents a gallon down the street. It doesn't exist. Rates vary within a little range, not huge. And costs basically are in that range. So you want to deal with somebody you can know and trust, and you have confidence in what they do and how they do it. So hopefully you do with me. If I could be of help to you, let me know. You can reach me at 844-775-LOAN, which is 5626. Shoot me an email at dfrio, and again, Frio is Frio, at parksidelending.com. Or check me out on the web at thefrioteam.com. There is a little glitch right now. If you're using mobile, anything mobile, your phone, your tablet, use another domain name, and it all routes back basically to the same place, but for some reason we're having a glitch with our mobile app. If you have a mobile app and want to look me up, look up 1160. It's 1160, 1160mortgage.com. And again, that's on your any mobile devices. It has a better format when it comes to mobile for that, but it basically routes you all to the same thing. So that's it for now. Tomorrow I'm going to try to come up with some credit tips for you, for those right now that are having some troubles with your credit scores, or where do you find them? Where do you find the real credit scores that people use, such as lenders like myself, or credit cards or auto loans? It's not Credit Sesame, it's not Credit Karma, and it's not your Discover card. I'm going to give you some insight on that tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If I can be of any help, let me know. God bless. Hope to see you tomorrow, the same time, same place. See you then.